Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. After hearing the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties at some length, we find that the relevant statutes are 1710 and 1713 of the statutes of the Purvanchal University, which is pari materia to the statutes 15.10 and 15.13 of the Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth Varanasi stop. Statute 17.10 of Purvanchal University and Statute 15.10 of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth indicate that seniority list has to be made on the basis of substantive appointment stop. Statute 17.13 of Purvanchal University and Statute 15.13 of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth indicate that if substantive appointments are made on the same date, in which case the seniority would be considered on the basis of seniority in age stop. In view of the said provisions, we find that in the instant case, the substantive appointment of the petitioner and the respondent number 6 was made on 22/11/1991 stop. Since both were appointed on the substantive post on the same date, the seniority list is required to be considered in the light of the provisions of the Statute 17.13 of Purvanchal University read with Statute 15.13 of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth stop. The petitioner was born in the year 1956 in comparison to the respondent number 6 who was born in the year 1963 stop para. We find that the Chancellor non-suited the petitioner on the ground that no objection was raised by him or by Vinod Kumar Rai for 17 long years stop. The Committee of Management contends that the seniority list was prepared by the principal of the institution in the year 1993, which was sent to the university, and no objection to it was filed by any of the teachers, including that of the petitioner, and therefore at this belated stage no chances in the seniority list could be made stop. The Chancellor as well as counsel for the respondents have placed reliance upon a decision of the full bench of this court in Dr. Asa Saxena versus S.K. Chaudhary and others 1991 to UPLBEC 12-2 on the proposition that the seniority list could not be challenged after a lapse of 17 years stop. We find that there is no controversy of the proposition advanced in the aforesaid two cases stop. We are of the opinion that these decisions are not applicable in the instant case stop. We repeatedly asked the learned counsel for the respondents, Committee of Management, as well as counsel for the respondent number 6 to indicate and produce any document by which the court could find that the seniority list prepared in the year 1993 by the principal of the institution was circulated to the teachers and whether any objection was invited by the institution stop. We are constrained to observe that the Committee of Management and the institution in question have not filed any counter affidavit, and the counter affidavit of the respondent number 6 is silent on this issue stop. We can consequently assume that the seniority list prepared by the educational institution in the year 1993 was never circulated, nor objections were invited from the teachers, and consequently the petitioner could not be non-suited on the ground of delay. Stop para. On the other hand, we find that the Director of Higher Education issued a letter dated 1/9/2006 modifying the seniority list, in which it was indicated that the respondent number 6 is the senior most of the basis of initial appointment made on 7/3/1989 and indicating the petitioner's appointment as 13/3/1989. Stop. We find that the seniority list on the basis of the initial appointment on ad hoc basis cannot be made in view of the specific statutory provisions, namely Statute 17.10 of the Purvanchal University and Statute 15.k10 of the Kashi Vidyapeeth. Stop. In the light of the aforesaid, we are of the opinion that the order of the Chancellor dated 15/10/2010 cannot be sustained and is quashed. Stop. In our opinion, the order of the Vice Chancellor is perfectly correct and in accordance with the provisions of statute. Stop. We accordingly hold that the petitioner is senior to the respondent number 6. Stop. The writ petition stands allowed. Stop. Thank you.